Hello children, good evening. How are you? I am Alan Hardy and hope the same for you. Dear students, today in this online class, I am going to tell you about tenses. What is the importance of tense? Why do we learn tense? And how can we make the sentence? Dear students, tenses are very important for you. If you want to write anything in English, if you want to understand English, and if you want to speak English, then it's very obligatory for you to learn about tenses. So, look at the board. Dear students, there are mainly three tenses in English. First is present tense, second is past tense, and third is future tense. Dear students, I am repeating again, there are mainly three tenses in English. First is present tense, second is past tense, and third is future tense. But if I talk about all the tenses, then total tenses are 12. Present tense has divided into 4 parts. You can see present tense, we can say present indefinite tense, present simple tense, present continuous tense, and present perfect tense. Okay, look here. Present indefinite tense, we can say present simple also. Present indefinite, present simple tense, both are the same. Present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. Now, past tense, past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect continuous tense. Future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous tense. Dear students, present tense, वर्तमान काल. We can say वर्तमान काल to present tense. यदि मैं प्रेजेंट टेंस को बोलना चाहूँ तो प्रेजेंट टेंस को हिंदी में वर्तमान काल कह सकते हैं, पास्ट टेंस को भूतकाल, एंड फ्यूचर टेंस को भविष्य काल. यानी इन टेंसेस का इंपोर्टेंस क्या है, इन टेंसेस को किस तरह से समझ सकते हैं. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, प्रेजेंट टेंस मीन्स विच इज हैपनिंग, जो हो रहा है, जो अभी वर्तमान में हो रहा है, वो सारी इवेंट्स जो होगी वो प्रेजेंट टेंस में काउंट की जाएगी. क्लियर. पास्ट टेंस, विच हैज हैपेंड मीन्स जो घटित हो गया है, जो गुजर गया है, दैट इज कॉल्ड पास्ट टेंस. एंड फ्यूचर टेंस, विच इज गोइंग टू हैपन, जो होने वाला है, मीन्स विच इज गोइंग टू हैपन, that is called future tense. Clear? Dear students, I am repeating again, there are 3 tenses in English, but if I talk about total tenses, that means total tenses are 12. Mainly 3 tenses: present tense, past tense, and future tense. Clear? Present tense, past tense, future tense. Clear? Now, present tense has 4 parts. Present simple, present indefinite, we can say present simple and present indefinite, both are the same. Present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect continuous. Clear? Now past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Clear? Now future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect continuous tense. These friends, you can look at the board again. present indefinite, present simple, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Past tense, past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect continuous tense. Future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect continuous tense. Tomorrow I will take indefinite tense and I will describe all the things about present indefinite tense. Till then, goodbye, thank you.